Okay, so for the rest of this video, I'm just going to pick on people. I'm going to start the chart. We're going to have time on the left. We're going to sort of have rough work in the middle, and then your third column over on the right is going to be earnings. Okay. All right, Michaela, you're up first. Can you please tell me what I should put in for time? I hope what you said was 0. I'll do these in different colors. 20, 40, 60, and 80. All right, Sierra, if you work 0 hours, how would you figure out how much money you make? Well, yeah, it's going to be 0, right? He earns $12 an hour times 0 hours equals 0. So his earnings is just a big old $0. All right, Jeremy, if he works 20 hours, how would I fill in that, please? Okay, good. So 12 times 20 is going to be 240. So he's going to make 240 bucks. All right, Kira, for 40 hours, go ahead, please. 12 times 40 equals 480. And that should be 480. Okay, I'm going to, sorry, I should have actually put that in red, so I'll fix that. That should be 12 times 20. 40. All right, any questions? If the hand goes up in the air, if the supply teacher can hit pause and let the either Mrs. Moore or you answer the question, and then we'll keep going. 60 is where life gets difficult, and Hannah, we're up to you. If you work 60 hours, how much of that is overtime? Good, 20 hours of it's overtime. So the way this works is it's going to be 12 times 40, that's your regular, plus 18 times 20, that's your overtime. Right, so altogether there's 60 hours, so $12 times 40 hours, plus 18 times 20 hours. That turns into 12 times 40 is 480. Plus 18 times 20 is 360. Hopefully that's right. Someone can confirm that. I believe that's 840. If I make a typo, again, please let me correct me. If there's questions, please hit pause and ask right now. All right, 480, we are up to Courtney. How much is regular, how much is time and a half, and how much is double? Okay, good. 40 hours regular time, 40 hours, 20 hours time and a half, and then 20 hours double. So the way this is going to work, it's going to be 12 times 40 plus 18 times 20 plus 24 times 20. That turns, so this is your regular. This is time and a half. And this is your double time. The regular is 480. 18 times 20 is 360. And then 24 times 20 is also 480. What that should add up to be is 1320. Okay, this question will be on your next test and your final exam and everything else in between. Okay, I love these questions. I'm not quite sure why. Maybe because they involve money. Okay. The thing to know, the reason of the equation, you can tell this is a piecewise function because things are changing. At the beginning up to 40, something is, if I were to graph this one, we're not actually going to do this today for the sake of time. We might do this on Tuesday. This is what it's going to look like regular. Then his money would go like this for time and a half. and then his money will go like this. So if we're talking about slope, notice the slope is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. The line is getting steeper and steeper and steeper. The graph is getting steeper. All right? Okay, what's going to happen right now is that the slide teacher is going to hand out homework sheets right now, and you're going to try them out. I'd like everyone to put their heads on their desks right now. Okay. If you are feeling good about today's lesson and can comfortably do a question like this on your own, please raise your hand. If you are feeling sort of okay about this, but might need some assistance to get through the next example by yourself, raise your hand. If you don't understand anything about today's lesson, please raise your hand. If your name's Riley and you haven't raised your hand yet this year, please raise your hand. Okay, great. Hopefully Mrs. Moore saw what happened there. If we can get those sheets handed out and try them out, we'll try this again on Monday or something similar to it. Thanks. Have a good weekend, everybody, and happy Valentine's Day.